Atma Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Divine Heart Journeys. The magnified healing was introduced in 1992 when the Chinese goddess of mercy, compassion and forgiveness, Mother Kuan Yin, brought it to earth through Reverend Catherine Anderson and Reverend Giselle King, both who were Reiki masters. Magnified healing is a very profound spiritual healing method and it combines the elements from the various energy healing modalities. Kuan Yin, who bestowed upon us and them the powerful healing energies, making magnified healing a unique and potent system. The key features included co-creation with the divine energy. Unlike Reiki, where the energy is channeled through the practitioner, magnified healing helps you to co-create the energy with God Most High of the universe, which is a heart-centered energy flow, and magnified healing establishes a constant flow of energy from your heart center and to the source and connecting you to the infinite consciousness. How magnified healing is different from the other healing modalities and other spiritual practices. Magnified healing is a universal healing which integrates techniques from Reiki, pranic healing and theta healing, and it heals at all the levels: the physical level, the etheric level, emotional, mental and spiritual levels. So practitioners can use it for distance healing, balancing karma, activating all the strands of our DNA, and also for ascension and transformation. Considering magnified healing is an ascension initiation, means magnified healing helps you to also ascend faster and brings you in alignment with your purpose and your soul. Magnified healing prepares individuals for spiritual growth. It raises your vibration, energy, and allows you to imbibe godlike qualities within you, and you are able to become a blueprint or a similitude of God within yourself. Magnified healing also helps you to align with your higher consciousness. As compared to Reiki, in which the universal life force passes through the practitioner, in magnified healing, you become the universal energy yourself. The energy that we channel or we get from God Most High from the universe is magnified to an intensity where you can feel it flowing. And practically, it can be applied into various applications like emotional balance, spiritual alignment, physical healing of a person, and many more forms of issues that a person may face in their life. Magnified healing has helped me to transform multiple lives, and it is still helping a lot of people to transform their lives. Magnified healing is practiced by more than 144,000 practitioners all around the world. It has been practiced in every country that we know of, in every language, and the manuals are available in all the languages and in most of the languages that we speak, like Hindi, English, Urdu, French, German, Arabic. So if you are keen on learning magnified healing and you would like to co-create the energy within you and you would like to bring yourself into the path of ascension and raise your vibrations and become one with the divine consciousness, then do join me in my upcoming workshop for magnified healing. Thank you for watching.